made it here to Monte Cristo. First camping trip in quite some time. It's been like 10 months. There's not many trails up here to ride. Single track biking, mountain biking trails. There is some ATV action going on. Looks like a double track that starts right down the hill there, which is better than nothing. Got a couple buddies coming up to meet me. Told them to bring some bikes, so maybe this time I won't be riding alone. Well, it is September. It's a little chilly up here. We're at a pretty decent elevation, I think 9,000 feet. It got down into the 30s overnight here last night and reached 65 today, so not bad during the day, a little chilly at night. I've camped in colder weather, that's for sure, but it's been a while.
It's freaking cold here in Ajo. I checked the weather about 15 minutes ago. There's been a freeze warning all night. See my breath. I need to shave.
I did bring my mummy bag. I brought a few things with me. I got a new air mattress here that's good for cold weather. Thanks to Belsky Outfitters, my sponsors. They've outfitted me with all kinds of stuff. Shower, air mattress, tent, mummy bag, packable pillow. Now hook up this battery, get the solar panel going. Got a few more hours of sunlight remaining, so tried to pick a spot that would maintain light for as long as possible. Sunset's supposed to be at 7 p.m. and sets at 731 degrees west. That way we get some sun coming this way in the evening. A little warm because I need to cook out here. Didn't bring the rooftop box this time. My car's packed full of stuff. This is only going to be a couple days, but you know, I still pack the same. I've got stuff with me to last me a couple weeks in all kinds of conditions as well. Plenty of water and other goods. My buddy Cease is going to be showing up in about 20 minutes, so hopefully he can get up the road. It's not very sedan friendly, but if you know how to drive, you could make it. I could make it. Belsky's Outfitters. R2 unit. Belsky's Outfitters. See, dog.
Alright, I'm done.
Look at that, friends. Dug ourselves the old Lakota fire pit. Log cabin style. One spark light. Got a little rice going. If it sticks to the pan, to the pot, it's gonna be hell to clean. That's right. That's gonna be a little pork stir fry here. Got some fresh peppers from the garden, a couple Anaheim poblanos, and what are these called? Scarlet Lanterns. A little bit of cabbage, some pork, some basil from the garden. Well, the rice is finishing up. It's a little wet. In the meantime, let's start this fire. All right, here we go. Careful. How embarrassing is this?
Cut.
I can cheat. This thing's kind of fucked up. Got to get a good pull on it. Ooh. All right, fuck it.
There you go.
Cheating. One spark start. Success. Good morning.
Good morning. Here we are attempting to bring down a fallen oak using a bungee cord and a tie line.
It's an aspen. Wah, wah, wah.
That was horrible.
All right, you got this.
Staying underhand or?
Overhand it. Ooh, we got it. It's popping. Ahoy! Hopefully it was in the frame. It's too thick for that saw. We're gonna get some smaller stuff in this area here. Mid-morning wood gathering. I'm gonna try and build a big fire tonight. Light up the sky. Two left-handed gloves. Dummy. Oh, shit. There we go. Little sled action. I bet I can hook up that other one. Well, we're gonna lose one. Oh, hang on. Ah, come back for it. There you go, buddy. I think I'm done with gathering wood for a minute. We can do some more later on. Still gonna try and ride some of these ATV trails. Gotta conserve some energy for that. Probably should consume some calories. I just got back from a ride. It was straight down and then straight back up. Ran into some ATVers. You know, I stayed ahead of them and the guy was laughing. He didn't think I could do it. He probably thought, oh, this guy's he's gonna be walking. You cannot petition the Lord with prayer. Whoa, what's that? Oh man, there's little bugs. I left my door open while I was gone. I was gonna leave because my buddy who met me up here, he left. And my other buddy, well, he never showed up. Oops. I'll get a copyright here. After that ride, I need some food. A little avocado. And then I could leave. Or I could stay. It was pretty cold last night. We got all that firewood we brought down in bulk. It just needs to be processed. There's enough wood there to build a pretty epic fire. So maybe that's what I'll do. Anyway, can't believe I didn't record that ride. Felt like you were in the pretty remote woods there. Came across a couple horses. They looked at me like I was a crazy person. Like, what the hell are you doing out here? Some homemade sourdough bread here I brought up with me. A little mustard, got some cheese. I'm gonna toast this top half in here and throw the cheese in there, melt it, slap it on there and put it together. It's gonna be a turkey sandwich. Whoa, let's see if this pan is as non-stick as it's supposed to be. This is really cheap non-stick pans. In fact, I don't really enjoy using them very much because they're, you know, probably toxic. Yeah, this is real cheese, all right. Throw some turkey on there. Careful not to scratch the pan. Gonna slam that down like this. And we're just gonna take the pan. God damn, here comes the flies. Just gonna do one of these jobs. Oh, how's that? That ain't too bad. All right, got a little avocado here. Boy, this is sloppy jalopy, but a couple tomatoes here. A little mustard, that's all we got. All right. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, some of this. Last night's fire starting was a disappointment. This time I'm taking my time, try and get that one spark start. We got a nice nest going on here. Trying to feather these out a bit. Yeah, that's not great. I'm getting too much in the minutia of this process. But I'll tell you what, last night was an embarrassment. Embarrassed myself in front of my friend. Might as well do her now. Whoa. Might as well use this bark up, but we got these feather sticks too. Much better than last night. Got a nice fire going. Put the tent up. Figured things are wet here in the morning, so why not get it done now? I'm gonna stay in the car. Got the pad laid out and everything converted to sleep in, so it's all good. And yeah. Guess I could just put it directly on the coals. Oh, well. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Well, this is the end of the worst camping video ever. We had some good times. We had a good fire. First night was really cold. Last night was much better. It was a little warmer also because I put my mummy bag inside of my other sleeping bag. I woke up at like 2 a.m. and I was sweating. Should have done that the first night. By the way, new mattress that was gifted to me by Belsky's Outfitters. Thank you very much. Oh, the air leaked out. This is one of those thicker pads though with the foam inside of it. It's self-inflating, so it wasn't terrible. Probably should have used the Thermarest instead last night, but you know, whatever. This is the adjacent camp. There's lots of garbage left around. I don't have any garbage bags. Is that one of those pool noodles? Got some old corn on the cob, some Jersey Mike's soft drink cup, some plastics and other, look at this trash. People really don't know how to build a fire. Look at all that waste. Paper plates, plastic bottles. That's how campsites get shut down, you know. This is a dispersed camp area. Hey, look at that, there's a gopher coming out of its hole. You see that? Maybe it's there. So. Comes an end to another trip. There ain't much else to do around here, so all right, well, catch you later.